welcome to Kuku channel. In the last video we have seen that the default constructor is used to initialize the objects of the class with some specific values. We have seen that the default constructor initializes all the objects with the same set of values. What if we want to declare if we want to initialize the different objects with the different values, then what to do? So this is possible in the Java. This can be done by using the parameterized constructor. By using the parameterized constructor, we can declare the every object with the different set of the values. ठीक है, let us start. Class. I am giving the name. चलो. REC. Then int. I will develop this program same as the previous, what I am using the parameterized constructor in this program instead of the default constructor. Int L comma B. Then REC int X comma int Y. L is equal to X and B is equal to Y. So what will this do? L stands for the length, B for the breadth. So here I have defined the parameterized constructor. I have passed the two parameters X and Y. The value of X is assigned to the length and the Y to the breadth. Now next, int area. Int A is equal to L multiply B and return A. Now this was the class. Here I have declared the parameterized constructor and one another method named the area, which will calculate the area of the rectangle and return to back. Now create the class PC. PC means the parameterized constructor. Public static void main string args Now here we have to create the object of the class. Our class was the REC. REC OBJ is equal to new REC. Since we have declared the constructor as the parameterized constructor, so I will pass the values here 5 comma 5. Now what will be done by this? This statement will create the object obj of the class REC and will pass the 5 to L and 5 to breadth. This statement will invoke the parameterized constructor. So here are the two parameters 5 and 5. When parameterized constructor will invoked, 5 will come here first, second 5 will come here to Y. Okay, first 5 will assign to X and second to Y. The X value will be assigned to length and Y to breadth. Now I am creating another object. The first object is initialized with this value. Now rect obj2 is equal to new rect and I am initialize the second object by the value 6 comma 5. Okay, first object is initialized with the values 5 5, or you can say that the variables of the first object are initialized with the values 5 and 5, and the variables of the second objects are initialized with the 6 and 5. Now let us call the area obj. Since area is returning the value, system dot out dot print ln area of first object is equal to obj dot area. Done. Then system dot out dot print ln area of second object is equal to obj2 dot area. Now done. So we have created the class REC. Here I have declared the two variables L and B. Then parameterized constructor REC int x int y. The x is assigned to L, means to length, and y to breadth. After that I have the method area. It return the value of type integer. This calculate the area and return a. Then next our class PC, public static void main string args. Then we have created the two objects obj. Variables are initialized with the 5 and 5, and the obj2 with 6 and 5. After that we have the output statements which call the methods of both objects, first obj.area and obj2.area. Now save this program. Since the PC class contains the main method, so we have to save this program with the name of the PC. Capital P PC dot Java. Our program is saved. Now Java C PC dot Java. Okay, 1D extra. This display the message void incorrect spelling, because by mistake I have put the 2 times D. Java, then PC. Now this is the output. Area of the first object is equal to 25. We have just assigned two values. In first object 5 5 and second object 6 5. When we call the method of area with the object first, then it shows the output 25 and second 30. So both objects are initialized with different set of values by using the parameterized constructor. In the next video I will discuss with the copy constructor. Thank you for watching this video.